Nationwide Building Society Credit Card Review, my honest user experience. If you're looking for a credit card that combines reliability, fair interest rates and great customer service, you've probably come across Nationwide Building Society. But how does their credit card actually perform in real life? Here's my honest review, after using it for over a year. First off, the application process was surprisingly smooth. Approval took just a couple of days and I received my card shortly after. What makes Nationwide stand out is its transparency. There are no sneaky hidden fees, and the terms are clearly explained. Most people get this wrong. They assume all credit cards from traditional banks are outdated. But Nationwide's mobile app is actually excellent. It lets you track spending, freeze or unfreeze your card, and make payments with just a few taps. In terms of interest, Nationwide offers competitive rates, especially for existing members. Their 0% balance transfer and purchase deals are genuinely helpful for people looking to manage their finances efficiently. Customer service is another strong point. I had an issue with a duplicate transaction once, and the support team handled it quickly and professionally. Thus, the card comes with solid security features like real-time alerts and two-step verification. The only downside? The reward system isn't as strong as some newer fintech cards. If you're after cashback or travel points, there are better options. But if you value stability, transparency, and top-notch service, Nationwide's credit card is a dependable choice. It's not flashy, but it works exactly as promised.